week's Bake Off. We've reached Japan, and this week I'm going to make a Castella cake, which actually originated in Portugal but was brought over to Japan in the 16th century, I believe, by the Portuguese traders. Nowadays it's actually a speciality in the Nagasaki region of the country. It only has 4 ingredients: flour, sugar, honey and eggs. So hopefully, cross fingers, this week it will go completely perfectly right. So let's get cooking! The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. That's gas mark 4 or 160 degrees if you have a fan oven. Into a bowl, crack 3 eggs and add 110 grams of caster sugar. Then take your whisk and beat them together until the mixture has doubled in size. Once the mixture has doubled in size, you need to add 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey, and then mix it all up again until it's smooth. Once the milk and honey have been added, you need to sift in 85 grams of plain flour and then mix it. Once you've added the flour, simply pour the mixture into a greased baking tin. Then simply pop the cake in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you need to reduce the heat to 160 degrees centigrade, that's gas mark 3 or 140 if you have a fan oven, and bake for another 20 minutes. Once you take the cake out of the oven, you'll notice that the cake will move away from the sides of the tin. Just leave it to cool in the tin and then turn it out.